Want to start shopping on the Quince app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Quince. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Quince, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Quince in the search bar. Tap Quince when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start shopping on the Quince app. That's all it takes to download Quince. Want to try out other popular online shopping apps? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.